Good day, everybody. Welcome to Studio Boy. My name is Boy Mason, and today we're gonna be making yet another penis. This one is also on request, and I leave the why and what to the owner and to you. So let's just get into it. As always, I start with a lump of clay and I make general shapes. And the one I'm making now is gonna have heels on, so I'm leaving extra space at the balls. And already I try to make the general shape of the boots. And I like to work in stages, so now it's very wet and I make the general shape, and if I'm kind of happy with that, I just leave it to dry for a couple of days underneath some foil, some plastic. This way it gets a bit harder, but not too much, and it's a bit easier to work with. So this is after a couple of days of drying. Makes it a bit easier to smooth out the surfaces. I always like to double or triple check my grooves, if you will, with a curved spatula, and just make sure that both edges are smooth and the corner is tight. And after that I make the shape of the head of the penis. I do this by drawing a groove and then scraping upwards and downwards the material. This is after, I think, yet a week drying or something, and now it's already quite hard, and now I can work with the file, and I really like this step. You can make things very smooth, very easily. The penis head was quite round, and I always like to make it a bit more narrow at the top, and this is a bit more realistic. Although realism is not exactly what we're going for, of course. And you can see by the accumulating dust how much you can file away in quite a short amount of time. Also, if this tone of speaking is too soft or low or too smooth for you, let me know. I'm speaking softly because there's a puppy sleeping in my room. So I'm almost ready with the filing. I dust it off and it goes in the oven. After it went into the oven, I like to file it again a little bit with a very soft and thin file to get all the extra ripples and stuff off. Then I apply a layer of base, and afterwards, this is a new technique, by the way, I've learned. I think this is how you're supposed to do it. After you apply the base, you put a thin layer of activating, where afterwards you can apply the gold. Although it seems like I'm gonna paint the boots first. Later I came across a bit of a tricky part with where the boots and the balls connect. Painting this very neatly was quite difficult. In the end, I chose to make the bottom or the attaching part of the shoe also black. I thought this worked out quite well. Here I'm applying the gold. First you can anchor it to some spots and then just press it down. And then gently rub it in. And the longer you rub, the shinier it seems to be. Look at that shiny head. Right. The painting. It's really nice to see something come together like this. Especially when you put in this very dark, hard contrast paint. It's really brings it out. And voila. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you'd like to see next.